Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs. DevOps engineers are scared, freshers are confused, and social media makes it look like DevOps is dead. But is that actually true? In this video, I'll explain DevOps versus AI in 2026 with real industry logic, not hype. This confusion exists because AI tools are suddenly everywhere. ChatGPT, Copilot, auto deployments, auto monitoring. People think if AI can write code, deploy apps, and monitor systems, then what is left for DevOps engineer? Let's address the biggest myths first. Myth 1: AI will completely replace DevOps. Myth 2: everyone should quit DevOps and move to AI. Myth 3: DevOps has no future. These statements sound logical, but they are only half truth. Most people think DevOps is just tools, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. But real DevOps is about system thinking, designing infrastructure, handling failures at 2 a.m., making systems scalable, secure, and cost efficient. AI can assist, but it cannot own responsibility. When production goes down, AI doesn't take the call, you do. When cloud bills explode, AI doesn't negotiate trade offs, you do. DevOps is decision making under pressure, not button clicking. Now let's talk about AI engineering honestly. Most AI jobs are not about building models from scratch. They involve data cleaning, model integration, prompt engineering, and deploying pre trained models. True AI research roles are very limited and require strong maths and statistics. Switching to AI is not easy. It requires deep math knowledge, probability, linear algebra, and real data experience. The number of AI jobs is much smaller than social media shows. Every company that runs software needs DevOps. Only some companies need AI engineers. DevOps roles scale with products. AI roles scale with data maturity. The real answer is not DevOps versus AI. It is DevOps plus AI. AI needs infrastructure. Model needs deployment. Monitoring, scaling, security all need DevOps. Future proof roles combine both worlds: MLOps, AIOps, and platform engineering. These roles are extremely hard to replace and highly paid. If you love systems, stay in DevOps. If you love math, choose AI. If you want long term safety, build a hybrid skill set. If you are a DevOps engineer worried about AI, subscribe. I'll show you how to stay relevant without panic switching careers. Thank you.